Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can fix. Please check your internet connection and try again on Messenger. Okay, so if you face this type of problem in your Messenger, then you can easily solve this. So how can you solve this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So watch the video to the end, and I hope that you will get a solution. Okay, so friend, before the tutorial starts, you are sincerely requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem, then please let me know in comment below. Okay, let's begin the tutorial. So firstly, we need to go Play Store, or you can go App Store. Okay, so this is the Play Store, and search here Messenger, and make sure that your Messenger have been already have been up to date. Okay, so make sure first that you need to update your Messenger. Okay, so after updating your Messenger, go back from this Play Store and go to settings. You can go in your phone settings. So it's may vary the option, but you need to find the option app management. Okay, so you can uh, find this app management where you can find all apps. Okay, so I just click app management, and here you can see the first option, app list. Okay, wait few seconds. Here you can see the all apps which I have installed in my device. So find the Messenger. Okay, so here you can see the Messenger. Click on the Messenger, and here you can also you have to go the option permission, right? So here you can see the permission below manage notification. So click permission. So you can find in your phone app permission, something like that. So here you can see a couple of options. So you have to allow some option. Firstly, camera. Click camera and allow, and go back from this. And here you can see also contact, allow, and microphone, allow, and also phone, allow. So you can allow all things, but calendar and location, it is not necessary to allow. So I just allow all things except calendar and location, right? So after doing all this thing, just go back from this section and go to here. You can see the option display over other apps. Okay, so click on this, just turn it on, and it's done here. And after doing all this thing, you have to simply go force stop. Click on this and force stop. Okay, so it has done here, and you have to do another option, just like follow my step. So we go to additional settings, or you can find the option time and date in your phone. So here you can see the day and time. Click on this. So here you have to turn it on. Also network provided time. Okay, so you have to turn it on, then automatically your time will be set according to your location. Okay, so after doing all these things, you just reach once again, then you have to go Messenger. I hope there will not be any problem. Okay, I hope this will be solved in your Messenger. Okay friend, I hope you got a helpful video from this tutorial. Please apply all this thing in your Messenger. I hope your problem will be solved. Okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for